it is Kat and Gina. Today we're making something fun. It's almost Halloween. We're gonna make Rosanna Pansino's easy Halloween dirt cups. So excited. Shouldn't take us long. Let's get started. All right, Gina, what is our first step? Because this one Mama likes.
Eat the gummy worms. How do we start? You need a cup, a clear cup, because you want to see the layers. I got my pudding. What flavor did you get, Kat?
She said chocolate because you want it to be dirt. Uh-oh.
I got vanilla because that's what my family likes.
Okay.
It's fine. You're not fooling anyone. It's not like someone's going to look at it and be like, oh, it's not dirt.
I mean, we'll call Gina's sand cups.
And cold milk.
Yeah.
And I'm using oat milk.
Ooh.
So I'm sure it'll be fine. It's not like it's cooking, so I don't think it would change anything about the recipe.
All right, let's go.
Kat, yours is going to take a long time because I think it said like 2 minutes.
No, I've made pudding before from a box. Wait, you're still mixing?
So are you.
Well, I'm using hand, but it's already thickened. What if it's
oat milk
your
doesn't work?
Uh-oh.
I was like, so are you. On the box for the pudding, it said for non-dairy options, go to the website. And I didn't know if they meant like not like non-dairy. Like I felt like almond milk was dairy-ish. So like close enough to milk. Okay, I have heavy cream. Okay.
No.
Okay.
Sounds like a solo cat recipe. Good thing it is an easy recipe. We're gonna fold in some dairy whipping, or I don't know. She didn't say Cool Whip, but she couldn't say it because she didn't want to say it for free. So Cool Whip. So you're gonna add in
I know
half of
she's
a
good
cup.
about that. She's like, these are my favorites. It's like a shortbread cookie with chocolate in the middle. Like, we all know what this is.
Okay, so we're gonna fold in our Cool Whip. I spin it and I fold it until it gets all mixed in. We need about like 30 to 35 Oreos, and we need to scrape off the best part. You have to scrape off the icing into a separate bowl, and we are just gonna smash it. So I've got my rolling pin.
Hey, look, Ma, I made dirt.
Next thing I gotta do is just assemble. I mean, like Gina said, like we can't mess this up, but we did. So first thing we need to just do is, I don't have a piping bag. I know Gina has that fancy stuff. I'm just using a sandwich bag, so.
You know what I just realized, Kat?
Yeah?
I'm like smiling and talking after I've eaten a couple of Oreos. So, now I'm like, great, I have black Oreo cookie stuff in my teeth. I'm gonna get started on the Tombstones. So I'm gonna try my best to write RIP on them. RIP. Rest in peace.
We kind of know what this is gonna taste like, right?
Yeah, I don't think we need to taste it, and I am not taking a spoonful of just cookie crumbs either, so.
I'm gonna do it. Hold on. I'm gonna do it. It's delicious.
Awesome. Well, as always, thanks for watching. We hope you had as much fun as we did, and next time I will try not to screw up, but you'll have to watch to see. So hit that bell so you don't miss our next video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.